Alright, so this is what I'm going to do for the handle. It's going to be like this. I'm going to put these little blocks are going to be the part that comes out from the from the door. Then I will probably about 2 inches or so from the top and bottom. And then I'm going to take this carriage bolt and I'm going to drill a hole right down in the middle here and weld on this carriage bolt so that this will go through the door, and then from the back of the door I can wrench it down with a nut, a locking nut, like that. So I'll show you how I got to this point, and then we'll move on. Thanks for watching. Well, the great thing about being terrible at welding is that you become awesome at grinding. Alright, yes you can. You can use those, just don't lose them. So, yeah.
This can get loose.
Okay, so after a whole bunch of grinding, this is what I ended up with here. A bunch of grinding and filing. And this will go through the door. These are here, go through the door. And I've got bolts and some washers and stuff to go for the other side. But yeah, not too bad. Looks pretty good. I got to put some. I'll paint it black, like the frame of the door itself.